Sir, start. Start, sir.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, what did we discuss yesterday? Can anyone recall and tell me?
Sir, binomial.
Yes. Only hands. Yes.
Binomial and binomial.
Two binomials. Multiply two binomials
Very
and multiply the binomials and
Very good. Sit down. What is the property used for the
Distributive property.
It is the distributive property which we have used for that two multiplication between binomial and multiplication between binomial. So while we are doing this, we will take the first term of the expression, of the first expression. Then multiply it with entire second expression. And copy the sign between them. Again take the second term of the first expression and multiply the entire second expression. Likewise you need to do. So today, as like somebody have mentioned something yesterday, I'm interested in that. Today, is there any shortcut to solve these kind of multiplications, these kind of binomial multiplication? Only hands raised. We are going to deal the shortcut. You know how to multiply? Yes, very good. Yes, I expect more hands. One second. Expect more hands. Generally, we take the first expression of the binomial, take the first term of the first expression, multiply it with the entire second one. Plus, take the second term, multiply with the entire expression. Plus, but there is a shortcut for this.
A plus B whole square.
Yes, louder. A plus B whole square. Why? Let us see. X into x. What are you doing there? X square. Very good. Likewise, the first expression into the same expression. That expression's whole square. Right? X into x is x square. The first expression into that same expression gives us that expression's whole square. Just like already I said, a plus b whole square. How it is arrived? A plus b into a plus b. So let us see. It's not the shortcut. We did not arrive at the shortcut yet. Let us simplify this first. Okay. Let us simplify this by looking at the actual thing. So a plus b into a plus b. Use the direct multiplication process of binomial into binomials here. So for doing binomial into binomial multiplication, what is the first step to be done? Yes, now faster. First step. Yes. No. Take the first term of the first expression, multiply with the entire second expression. So, first term of the first expression. Which side? B into Very good. Now, monomial into binomial multiplication. Yes, only hands raised. Are there any like terms in that? Only like terms. Only hands raised. Yes, Shyam, very good.
A plus B.
Yes, very good. Two ABs are there. One apple, another apple. Total how many apples are there? Likewise, AB plus AB, 1AB plus 1AB equals to 2AB. So here what we need to focus here is, if any expression binomial multiplication is happening in this way, instead of doing all this process, you can directly apply the a square plus 2ab plus b square. Say 100 plus 1 is there. 100 plus 1 into 100 plus 1. It is asked to do.
100 plus 1
Okay,
whole square.
two binomials. Okay.
100 plus 2.
Suppose two binomials. But See, if at all you need to follow all this process, it takes lot of time. It's not 100 plus minutes. Sorry. Two binomials. Okay. If at all you need to follow this whole procedure, it takes lot of time. But if you recognize it as 100 plus x whole square. Yes. Pause it. Let's decide. Ready? So, if you recognize this as 100 plus x square, you directly apply a square plus 2ab plus b square. First of all, recognize what is a. What is a?
100.
What is b? X. So, apply this formula. A square means
100
plus 2ab. All three are yes. All three are in multiplication. 2ab means 2 into a into b. Likewise, you need to represent 2 into 100 into x. Very good. Plus
X square.
x square directly. So 100 square is 10,000 plus 2 into 100. 200 into x.
200x
200x
is equals to
plus x square. You cannot simplify it further. If you use this formula, you can easily
200x plus
yes
200x plus x square.
x square is there. Can you simplify it further?
200x
No, boy, we are not big. Yes. This confusion usually occurs even to me. This is plus. Sometimes our mind unknowingly thinks that it is minus and let me apply the a power m into a power n formula. It happens even to me, even being a teacher. So once again you recheck it is a plus. So you cannot, while dealing with the addition or subtraction, you need to deal with the like terms. While doing multiplication, we should not look at that, just add up the parts. Okay? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. So, in this way, we are going to apply a plus b whole square formula. This formula will come to you again and again in your future classes. Not only till 10th, it will come to your degree level, it will come to your engineering level, whatever the level you take. Even it will help in the competitive examinations. Okay, very good. So let us look into what is the full form of, what is the full-fledged expression of a plus b whole square?
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
Yes, hand size. Louder.
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
A square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes, you are giving good responses, Sarah. Be clearer in the responses. Okay, do not be hurried. Okay, yes. A plus b whole square from girls. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is there on the board. Louder. Stand up and tell.
Plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Very good. Yes, from this row. A plus b whole square. Yes, louder, Shyam.
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
A square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square plus 2ab. Some of all the members are giving a square, 2ab, b square, and they are rearranging it. But even then it is true. I will say it is true. Why? Because of
Formula is
because of even shifting the values staying as same. Which property?
distribution.
No.
A plus b whole square.
No. Which property? Distribution. Yes. Yes. Commutative property. So in addition, commutative property holds true. That's why you can arrange the terms in whatever the fashion you want. Okay? We are done with the a plus b whole square formula, and you learned how to apply that a plus b whole square formula. Let us look into the another kind of formula. Children, everyone can use the formula after learning one or two times, but recognizing that is very, very important. Whoever recognizes the problem is in the form of a plus b whole square will be the cleverer one. Try learning that. That comes through practice of exercise problems only. Okay, let us discuss another kind of formula. Yes, what may be the another kind of formula?
A minus B
A
whole square.
minus
A
B whole
square
square.
A minus B whole square. Suppose if at all
A
this is my binomial, I'm taking another binomial and multiplying it. X into X. X into X. X into X. X square. It's okay. It's okay. Very very good. So likewise 2x minus y whole square. 2x minus y into 2x minus y.
Sir, x into x, 2x, x plus.
X into X.
X
X power 1 into X power 1. X power 1 plus 1.
X square.
Okay, X square it is. Very good. Do not get confused. It happens. No problem. So, likewise it is X square. So, if you look at, it is in the form of A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square means what? A minus B into. Let us go with the formal multiplication of binomial and binomial. Let us see what is the result we may get. Okay, A minus B into A minus B. Do the normal binomial multiplication. What to be done?
A.
Yes, you are right.
Yes.
Yes, hands guys. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. She has selected the first term of the expression and multiplied the second expression entirely. Yes, sit down. Which sign would come here? Very good. Minus sign would come here. Next. Yes. B into A minus B. Very good. She has taken the second term of the expression, first expression, and multiplied the entire second expression. That means B into A minus B. Very good. A into A minus B. Yes, loud and clear.
Yes. Minus B. AB.
Very, very good. Yes.
B. A.
Plus or minus? Minus.
AB.
B or AB. Very good. Minus B into minus B. Minus into minus. Very good. B into B. Very good. So, are there any right terms? Only hands raised. Yes. 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 Similar to the first one. Yes. Yes.
AB.
AB. Yes. Very good. AB is the like term. There are two like terms. Minus AB. Minus AB. How much? Minus AB. Minus AB. No. Do not go. Yes. Again, we are going into that multiplication thing. Do not go for the squares. We are dealing with the minuses. We are dealing with the subtractions. It happens. Sujit, no problem. Minus AB into minus AB. Minus AB. Minus 2AB.
Good morning.
So, whenever you have got the problem in the form of A minus B whole square, you can use this direct formula. Like 2x minus y whole square, you need to find out first, assign what is A,
2x.
what is B. No, it's not minus y. Just like see, A minus B. A is separate, minus is separate, B is separate. Like that, 2x is separate, minus is separate, y is separate. Okay, A, 2x, B, y. Okay, apply that with the formula. A square means 2x whole square. If you say 2x square, that means square is applied only to the x. But if you say 2x whole square, the square is applied both x. Okay, keep that in mind. 2x whole square. Next, minus 2ab. Minus 2ab plus b square plus y square. Simple? Yes, we are going to simplify it. We are going to solve it more clearer. 2x whole square.
4x.
Yes?
4x.
4x.
X power 4.
4x power 4. No. Easy. 2x whole square means it is 2 square into x square. Likewise, if you listen to the formula called AB whole power m equals to a power m into b power m. This is quite important here. Okay. they are in multiplication, a same power is attained on the both of the variables, then both each will get that same power. Okay? Similar thing we are doing here. 2 square into x square. 2 square means what? 4. 4x square. Yes. Minus 2. 2.
Minus
Minus 4x.
xy.
Plus y square.
Plus y square. So, without direct solving, without solving it as take 2x, multiply with the 2xy, take put minus, subtract, come to the end value, simplify the term. After all removing this process, you will directly apply that a square minus 2ab makes you get the product directly. You will get the result directly. That is what my intention. These are the shortcuts. Okay? Yes.
2x square ఉంటుంది సార్ 2x ఉంటుంది సార్
Ah.
2x square అయితే
2x square. Only 2x square you are talking about.
2x square whole square
2x square whole square. Yes, yes, you follow the same. You want to apply the square on the 2x square. Right? Here we have applied the square on only 2x. Then it came as 4x square. Here you have applied on 2x square whole square. Then do the same procedure. Do the same procedure. Give power. Yes, yes, yes.
4x power 4.
Yes, yes, you are right. Give power to each and everything inside the product. Likewise, 2 square, x square whole square. Right? Here x is there, they have given the power 2. Here x square is there, they are given the power 2 to the x square. Then x power square, x square into x power whole square. How much?
X power 4.
X power 4. A power m into whole power n. A power
M into N.
mn. M into n. Okay. So it is 4 x power 4. Understood? Clear? Likewise, you are going to apply this formula. So where are we? So in this way you are going to solve the problems. Before me actually going here, there are some technical problems which will be asked frequently in the competitive examinations. Say,
ఎన్ని మినిట్స్ అయ్యింది రజే
okay. From this row, what is a minus b whole square?
ఎవరు చెప్తారు
A minus b whole square. Only one hand, only common hand. Yes, yes, louder.
A square.
Listen everyone. Yes.
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
C square, very good. See, if you look at the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, the negative sign occupies to the 2ab. Everything, rest of the things are same. Understood? A plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab.
Plus b square.
Let me write it once again. A square plus 2ab
Plus b square.
plus b square. Whereas, if you are dealing with the a minus b whole square,
A square
A
minus
square
b square.
b square. Only this negative sign is different between this a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square.
a square plus
Okay? Keep that in mind. Remembering in that way will be easier. Okay. So, told you already, there are some technical problems where you could use the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square effectively. Say, if it is asked to find out 102 whole square. 102 whole square. Yes, it can be turned into a plus b whole square. How? It can be turned into a plus b whole square. How?
a square sir
Yes, yes.
a square
No, I'm telling that 102 whole square can be turned
Ah,
into
A whole
plus
square.
b. Yes.
a whole square
No, I'm telling that it can be turned into form of a plus b whole square. Do some magic to turn it into a plus b whole square. It's easy.
51 plus 51 whole square
You are quite near there, but you are dealing with the big numbers. Which number should be selected such that the whole expression will be easier? You are in the right path. But 51 not. Some other numbers which makes it the multiplication easier.
Sir, 102, 102.
No. It is direct multiplication. Why am I dealing with this? If at all you need to find out this big multiplications, you will big height. Instead, a trick will be helping you. Yes.
Sir, 40.
No. You are dealing with big numbers. If at all you choose the 40, then other number is something in the 60s. Then 40 plus 62 square whole square means putting that in the a plus b formula will give you the most trouble. Instead, you are using that a plus b formula for a simplification, for easier thing. Yes, it should be divided as the something plus something. What are those things? Stop. Just like he has divided the two numbers as something plus something, that should be done. But the multiplication. It's okay. Yes, try. Yes, you have the idea?
20 square plus.
Yes. Let me take, suppose if at all it is 51 plus 51.
Sir, 20 square plus.
Okay, 1 second. 51 plus 51 whole square. If at all you want to write it as a plus b whole square, then it will be more trouble than finding it to 51 into 51.
Sir, done. 20.
Understood? This will take more time than actual 1 or 2 multiplication. And it's still lesser number
Sir,
than
20
51
square
into 51.
plus. Sir, 20 square plus 31 square.
Yes. I'll tell you how. Make one number as 100. Then the other number will be
2.
Yes. 100 plus 2 you can write. Yes, 1 or 2 is divided into 100 plus 2. Does it look like a plus b whole square?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the formula of a plus b whole square, Ashish?
Sir.
Yes, let him tell. A plus b whole square, expanded a plus b whole square, we have done that.
Sir.
No problem. Let him tell if he remembers, otherwise he will say no problem. You remember? No problem. Sit down. No problem. Yes. Let him tell. I'll give. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Very good. So, what is the a here? 100. What is the b here? 2. Very good. So, a plus b whole square. 100 plus 2 whole square. Put that in there. 100 square plus 2ab. Yes, who is going to tell me that 2ab expression from this row? 2ab. Now discuss that. 2ab. A is 100, b is 2. 2ab. Yes. Yes. Plus 2 square.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, 2 into 100.
Yes. Let it. That's all. Okay. No
Sir,
problem.
2 into 100 into 2.
Yes. Very good. 2 into 100 into 2. Okay. 2ab.
Guru Manish.
2ab. Likewise, you will apply. There it will be 100 into 2 plus b square.
2 square.
Okay, 100 square is 10,000. 2 into 2.
4.
4 into 100.
400.
Very good. 4. So 1, 0, 4, 0, 4. Now you are feeling that it is taking many process. If at all you are dealing with 1 lakh 2. Then also you are going to split this as 100 plus 2 here 1 lakh
1 lakh plus 2.
Then apply the same formula. You don't feel it is difficult than the actual multiplication of 1 lakh 2 into 1 lakh 2.
It's more like.
Yes. It's 10,000.
Yes, sir.
No.
100.
Okay. Suppose if at all a big number is multiplied with the same number, then it means it is whole square of that number, just like 1 lakh whole square. Then split that 1 lakh into 2 parts such that those 2 parts will be easier. They should not be like 51 plus 51. Do you understand the trouble? If at all, if we take 51, yes, that makes the process more bigger than the actual multiplication. We are using the formula for the simple trick. Okay, to simplify the problem more. Likewise, we are going to use. Okay, let us see who will tell this. Note down this sum faster. In the brackets, you need to write. In the brackets, otherwise here you need to write. Use a plus b formula. A plus b whole square formula. And write a equals to yes, okay. Please do not wait until I say. Soon after answering it, whether it is right or wrong, you say. Show you that in the first class itself. Stop it. Okay, copied.
One minute, sir. No, sir.
Control plus C. Who knows the shortcuts of keyboards? Windows?
CTR plus Q.
No. Control A, Control D, Control C. No one knows.
Like sir.
No one knows the. No one has the PC, personal computer. Yes, you had it. You might be knowing the shortcut.
Some keys.
Sir, CTRL plus P.
Yes.
CTR plus P.
It is control. Control plus P. What is that?
Paste, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Control plus P.
Control plus Z.
Control plus Z is there. Control plus P is there. Every alphabet will be having some shortcut and some function.
Control plus Z, sir.
Control plus Z is for what?
Cut, sir. Cut.
No. It's not for cut. Yes. Very good. Yes. Control plus Z is for undo. Like suppose if you have typed something and suddenly selected that matter, and suddenly deleted that.
No, sir.
But you wanted that matter. I do unexpectedly I deleted this. I need this matter. Control plus Z if you type, it will bring the deleted part again to the desktop.
sir.
If it
I
takes
will
more time,
use
it
it, yes, sir.
may not come. If
But
the
for
system is
playing
shut
chess,
down
sir.
in between, it may not come. Even in your phones also, sometimes you delete something, it will be asking in the downwards. Undo this.
Undo,
Yes,
yes,
yes. Undo this within these seconds.
Sir, also recycle bin also there, sir.
Yeah. All phones will not be having recycle bins. Samsungs will be having recycle bins. MIs will not be, may not be having recycle bins. Okay, whatever it is. Then the shortcuts they may be used, they'll be help you.
Oh, sir.
Yes? Okay, very good. See, just like you have converted that 1 or 2, what may be this? Yes, only hand size, sir. Only hand size. I'm seeing these common hands again and again.
Sir.
Use that same technique.
Sir, 90
Yes,
plus.
Sir.
Yes, you are saying louder.
90 plus
90 plus 8, one formula. Very good.
Whole square.
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
Is everyone with the same opinion?
Yes, sir. 90
Why
plus 2.
are you using again plus? Why are you insisting on the plus?
90
We have also discussed it. A minus b whole square. Use that also. Then it will be.
90 minus 6.
Sir, 98 minus 2.
Yes.
98 minus 2. 98 minus 2.
Yes. Okay. Someone has.
Yes,
Someone
sir.
has. Stop.
Sir, 98.
How much? So, if you all you deal with the 90 plus 8, it will extend the multiplication longer, 8 squares and all. But, if you convert this,
100 minus
100 minus 2.
100 minus 2, both 100 squares, both 2 squares will be easily found out, unlike the 90 squares and 8 squares. Okay? Check the availability. What kind of formula is it in?
A square
A
minus
square
minus
minus
Only hand
4
size. Only hand size.
Sir,
I heard so many voices, but I need his hand. Yes, very good. Kachir boy.
A square minus this.
Yeah?
A square minus.
Sir, sir.
Yes, let him tell. He has tried. Very good.
Sir.
Let him tell.
A minus b whole square.
Yes, it is a minus b whole square. Sit down. What is a?
100.
A is 100. Use a minus b whole square. Okay, what is b?
2.
Okay. So a minus b whole square means 100 square
to 10,000.
minus 2 into 100 into 2 plus
B 2
2
square.
square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 2 minus 400
plus 4.
plus 4. Okay. 400
4 6
Sir, 6,000.
9 this
Likewise, you are going to apply the a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. You are going to find the formulas very easily. So, all these are called identities. Identities. What are these called? Identities. We have discussed two of the identities. What are those? Yes. 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 What are the first identity we have discussed in the first class? First class. Okay. You are not in the connection with the class. Yes. What is the first identity? Yes.
additive identity
No. Not those. It's the first of the class.
A plus B.
A plus B whole square. What is the a plus b whole square? Louder, faster. Yes, he's telling.
A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Very good. Next identity, what we have discussed?
A minus
Yes, from this row. What we have discussed? First identity is a plus b whole square. Second identity, a minus b whole square. From girls, hands raised. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. Yes. A minus b whole square. Very good. It is the minus difference about the 2ab. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We are going to deal with another problem, success problems in the tomorrow's class. Thank you, children.
అయిపోయింది 30